Hi, it's Giles Johnson here. Welcome to this video to talk about 3 of the common lean problems we see when businesses try to engage with improving how their operations work. This video will show you how StreamLiner eliminates all of these problems within the software. One of the biggest things I see when I'm working with companies who aren't improving as fast as they want to be is that they don't have a controlled way to handle their improvement actions. There's too many actions floating around in spreadsheets, on walls, on whiteboards and emails. StreamLiner has a tool to deal with this. Let me quickly show you. StreamLiner has a series of tools built into it, one of them being the distillation of all the actions into one place. So for example, I'm going to one of the projects here and there's a whole range of tasks against this one project. I can also go into another project and look at the different actions against that one there. But as an overall tool within StreamLiner, I can look at all the actions within the business in one place and then choose to filter them and use them so I can actually find the biggest impactful action at the top of my list across the entire business. And that's one way that StreamLiner helps address the issue of having action plans everywhere. You put the actions into StreamLiner using the variety of tools you can see at the bottom of the screen here, and it then pushes all the actions out into one common place so that you're always working on one action plan for the business. The next challenge is to know which tool to use for what particular kind of improvement you're trying to achieve. We've taken some of the most common lean improvement techniques, put our own little twist on these, things we've done with our own clients to get better results for what they were trying to achieve, and shared these with you directly within the software. You probably got a little glimpse of this in the last part of the video, so let me show you a little bit more detail right now. So if I click on one of the projects here, you can see at the bottom of each project screen is a range of different improvement methods that you can use in your business. We've chosen these ones because they are simple, they're effective, and they're easy to get your team to engage with. To make it even easier to engage with your team, we've produced a template button so that you can print out a paper copy of the documents so that you can just start using them there and then with your team. You can then go back into the various tools, whatever you've chosen to use, create a whole load of entries based on your observations about things that you might want to improve, and going from there to an action. This is really simple. You click on the row that you want to convert into an action, click on the copy to actions button, and then complete the rest of the screen as per the instructions. All the green items are mandatory, the rest you can do at a later date. Hopefully you can see on here this answers the questions about where do you start with analysing your process. Choose one of the tools that we've pre-selected and dive straight in. The next issue I'd like to address is the lack of effective prioritization that many businesses suffer from. Without having a simple method, an effective method that helps you determine what is the most effective action to work on next, you never fully realize the benefits from your improvement programs. Let me show you how StreamLiner deals with this. Inside one of the projects, you can click on the actions button here. You can observe all the different actions we've identified for the project. In the middle of the screen is the benefit, cost and speed columns, which is what we're looking for when we're looking for an improvement option. Something that's going to give us a big benefit to the organisation, something that's very low cost to implement itself, and something we can do very quickly. We rate each of these individual items and then this multiplies across to give us a BCS score. So for example, if I actually decided that was going to be a lot cheaper, it would automatically include this in the BCS score. From here we can go to the reports and actually see all the open BCS score items, and it ranks them in terms of their importance. So if we start at the top and work our way down, we should always be working on the items that will give us the biggest benefit for the organisation at the lowest possible cost in the quickest manner. This is how StreamLiner deals with the challenge of working on a prioritised list of improvements for an organisation. I hope this video has answered some of your questions about lean, especially how to avoid having too many action plans in your business, not knowing where to start, and actually ensuring that you're working on priorities at every point in time. All these tools are built into StreamLiner, which is available for immediate download for just $59. It's a one-off cost and additional seats are available. If this is of interest, then please head over to quality-assurance-solutions.com, and thanks for watching.